One is about discrimination. As Ugandans, let's avoid sectarianism and any sorts of discrimination. In Uganda, we are all Ugandans. You don't need a visa to travel from Ankole to Buganda or from Ankole to Acholi. There will never be a visa or any travel document you need to travel to go to Teso or elsewhere. That is why we don't need any sort of discrimination. Nowadays we have people who try to discriminate Ugandani Banyarwanda. These are your fellow citizens. Please condemn anyone who try to discriminate them. It is wrong. We have been together in everything. We face poverty together. We face bad roads together. We face all sorts of wrong things together. The same time, we celebrate together when there is any achievement we have achieved. Therefore, we cannot be good in time of fighting, then we be bad in time of sharing everything. Please, nowadays, I hear some people, they are trying to use sectarianism in their politics, which is wrong. There is no need of discriminating or using any discriminatory language in your politics. These Balalo, these Banyarwanda, I hear them. Please, no one wants to be discriminated. No one wants to be segregated. You know what happened in South Africa? People resist apartheid. This is the time Uganda needs to come together to fight all sorts of sectarianism against Ugandani Banyarwanda. We are your fellow citizens. That does not take away that they are other foreigners. But please, even the foreigners should be treated in good ways. But we who are your fellow citizens, especially the Banyarwanda, they should not be discriminated. Sometimes some of them, these are younger men and younger ladies, they apply a passport to go to work in Saudi Arabia, in those Arab countries and elsewhere, looking for a survival like as a Ugandans. But you deny them a passport or national ID. That is wrong. And I don't hear any Ugandan condemning it. Please condemn it. Fight it. Because it is wrong. No one wants to be discriminated in the society, either on the basis of religion or tribe or any other thing. Please, let's work together for Uganda, for good Uganda. Otherwise, the only way we can achieve everything, like we can achieve prosperity, we can achieve peace and everything, to enjoy it, is through working together, is through fighting all the enemy of sectarianism in Uganda. I believe that Ugandans are not sectarian, not at all. But a few politicians who try to use sectarianism to do their politics, but they will fail because I trust Ugandans. They resist all sorts of wrong things. Even this discrimination, they can resist it still.